Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, that is derivatives of parametric functions. Derivatives of parametric function, what you're going to do is, just hold on. Derivatives of parametric function, we are going to use this dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. ये फॉर्मूला यूज करने वाले अपन dy by dx equal to dy by dt and d upon dx by dt. Now if you look at this sum, find dy by dx and you got the x का value, ठीक है, in terms of t and y का value in terms of t, ठीक है. तो पहले अपने पास इक्वेशन क्या था, y is equal to x के इसमें था, राइट. तो यू कैन यूज dy by dx. अब यहाँ x है and another variable is t, राइट. जब आपके पास x और t ऐसा रहेगा तो you'll use dx by dt, तो तुमको इसका वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. एंड यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वेरिएबल इज y and is equal to के बाद राइट हैंड साइड पे वेरिएबल इज t, so you can use dy by dt, ठीक है. तो लेट्स टेक y is equal to 2a t square. अब इसको जब डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे अपन, राइट, व्हेन डिफरेंशिएट इज 2a is the number, राइट, तो वो आगे आ जाएगा t square is 2t, राइट. तो ये हो गया आपका y is equal to 4at, right, and x is equal to 80 raised to 4. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, a is the constant term, a आगे आया, differentiated of t raised to 4 is 4t cube, so this became 8t cube. Now we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by dt upon dx upon dt. तो dy by dt तो अपने को 4at मिला था ऊपर, right, over here, and dx by dt you got it this one. Just put the values, 4 and 4 cancel, a and a cancel, t ones are sorry t and ये क्यूब कैंसिल होकर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, तो दैट विल बी 1 अपॉन t स्क्वायर. सो dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t square. Now let's solve this sum. dy by dx find out करना है, where x is equal to sec square theta sec theta, तो इसका मतलब आपके पास x है and दूसरा वेरिएबल इज थीटा and y is equal to tan cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 3. अब dx by dt नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे आएगा dx by d theta. तो पहले x and y का सॉल्व करते हैं. लेट्स टेक इट dy by d theta. dy by d theta क्या हो जाएगा आपका, tan cube theta मतलब tan theta whole bracket cube, तो 3 आगे आ जाएगा and this will become tan square theta. बट यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं होता because you don't have only theta, you have tan theta. So dy by d theta tan theta will give you sec square theta. Sorry, dy by d theta, therefore this will equal sec square theta. So dy by d theta is equal to 3 tan square theta sec square theta. Clear? And x is sec square theta, so that dx by d theta will be sec square theta, that is 2 sec theta, and d by d theta sec theta is sec theta tan theta. Clear? तो आपका हो गया 2 sec square theta tan theta. अब आपके पास dx by d theta का वैल्यू है, that is 2 sec square theta and dy by d theta, that is 3 tan square theta sec square theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Clear? अब जब आपके पास ऐसा आ गया तो that will become 3 tan square theta upon 2 sec square theta and theta. तो ये sec square theta कैंसिल होंगे and एक tan square theta भी चलाएगा. तो you have this as dy by dx tan theta, but theta is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. 60 is root 3. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा, this will become 3 root 3 upon 2. Clear? Tan theta आ गया, theta is pi by 3, right? Tan theta is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. तो ये होगा 3 root 3 upon 2. Now, if you have a sum, if x square plus y square is equal to t plus 1 upon t, and x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equal to t square plus 1 upon t square, then show that x cube y dy by dx is equal to 1. तो ये आप कैसा करेंगे? This, let's take this x square plus y square is equal to t plus 1 upon t square. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides, so you will have in this form, right? So y square, x square plus y square is equal to 1 ब्रैकेट में t plus 1 upon t square आपका हो जाएगा x raised to 4 x raised to 4 2x square y square plus y raised to 4 plus t square plus 2 plus 1 upon t square. अब x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 का आपके पास वैल्यू है, राइट? सो पुटिंग दैट वैल्यू, ठीक है, तो पहले तो ये कैंसिल कर दो, x raised to 4 एंड y raised to 4 ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे दोनों. x raised to 4 इधर आके माइनस x raised to 4 हो जाएगा, this will become 0. y raised to 4 and this y raised to 4 come on this side and that becomes 0. तो आपके पास ये 2x square y square is equal to 2 आ गया. 2 से डिवाइड किया x square y square become 1. क्लियर? अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे d by dx x square y square, तो आपका ये u भी हो गया, राइट? u v के फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से x square and differentiate y square plus y square differentiate x square, तो ये हो गया 2y and I said whenever you have y so that will be dy by dx plus y square 2x होगा. Open the brackets, you'll have 2x square dy by dx is equal to minus 2, ये जो था 2x y square उधर जाके minus 2x y square हो गया. क्लियर? सो dy by dx is minus 2x y square अपॉन ये आके इधर डिवाइड हो जाएगा 2x square y, 2 कैंसिल, एक x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो dy by dx is equal to okay, now you got this 2 और 2 कैंसिल हो गए. Now you got x y square. x y square क्या हो जाएगा? If you look at over here, x square y square is equal to 1. तो अगर इसमें का एक x मूव करते हो, that will come and divide over here. So that will become x y square upon x, right? That is, you got it. X square y square is equal to 1. So x y square is equal to this x, दो x है ना यहाँ पे, this x will move and it will come over here. Clear? तो x y square is 1 upon x. तो ये आपका x y square हो गया 1 upon x, right? ये x और ये x कैंसिल हो गया. क्लियर? सॉरी, ये 1 upon x ले लो, ये डोंट राइट दिस थिंग, ये दिस विल बिकम 1 upon x. क्लियर? और ये मत लिखो, ये जस्ट राइट 1 upon x. तो 1 upon x, तो दिस x will come over here and that will become 1 upon x cube y. क्लियर? 1 upon x cube y हो गया. So this x cube y will go on this side and that will become x cube y dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Clear? Sorry, that will equal to 1. Now let's see the sum where we'll be differentiating one function with respect to others. Okay. So differentiating of one function with respect to another function, you have find the differentiative of 7 raised to x with respect to x raised to 7. Now let's take u is equal to 7 raised to x and v is equal to x raised to 7, and then we're gonna find du by dv. ठीक है, du by dv we're gonna find it. अब du by dv कैसा करेंगे? du by x है इसमें, राइट? You have taken this x, तो du by dx से आपको इसका मिलेगा यहाँ पे b एंड x है वेरिएबल, तो dv by dx से आपको इसका मिलेगा। तो du by dx is x 7 raised to x, तो a raised to x is ax log a होगा, तो a के आगे पे you have 7, तो this will become 7x log 7, clear। and v का आपका होगा v raised to 7, डिफरेंशिएट करें तो this will become x raised to n के हिसाब से 7x raised to 6। now substituting the values, du by dv is equal to 7 raised to x log 7 upon 7x raised to 6। now find the derivatives of cos inverse x with respect to under root 1 minus x square। इसमें भी u and v का आप लेंगे, u is cos inverse x and v is under root 1 minus x square। so you have taken cos inverse x, तो du by dx आपको मिलेगा cos inverse x is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square and v is this thing, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो स्क्वायर रूट का हो जाएगा 1 upon 2 square root 1 minus x square, and even you're going to do 1 upon x square, that will be minus 2x square, right? so minus 2x हो गया हो, 2 and 2 cancel, so you'll have minus x upon under root 1 minus x square, clear। ये आपके पास आ गया। now substituting the value, dv u by dv आपका हो जाएगा 1 minus x square, जो कि आपको you got it from here, हाँ dv आपको यहाँ मिला है and du is over here, right? du upon dv का आपका ये वैल्यू है, so that will be 1 minus under root 1 minus x square minus x upon under root 1 minus x square, तो ये under root के टर्म्स कैंसिल हो जाएंगे and du by dv is equal to 1 upon x, माइनस और माइनस भी कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, क्लियर। जब भी आपको डिफरेंशिएट करने वाले दो अलग अलग फंक्शन को, तो यू विल टेक इट एज u and v, तो एक आपका du by dx बनेगा, दूसरा विल बी dv by dx, and this is the way you're going to solve the sums। okay, that's all for today।